Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore seed words in Kukai Wallet. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos XTZ wallet that works directly in your web browser. If you've changed your laptop, cleared browser data or logged out by mistake, you can restore your Kukai Wallet using your seed words recovery phrase. As long as you have the correct seed words, your wallet and funds can be recovered safely. So make sure you have 12 or 15 seed words exact order or laptop and never share your seed words with anybody. First you need to open to your Kukai Wallet website, open any of the browser on your laptop, Chrome, Brave or Firefox, Edge, and in the address bar type down wallet.kukai.app and wait for the Kukai home screen to load over here. What you can do is once you reach into this home dashboard of the Kukai wallet, in the top right there's this setting icon, select there. Over here what it says that reveal seed words. What you can do is select this reveal seed words. Here it needs to authenticate to access to your seed words. Select continue and type down your email address. Make sure email address is correct and select submit. Over here you have to go to your Gmail and need to check from the Kukai wallet here, and here's the code. What you can do is simply copy this code and paste it over here and select submit, and that is it. This is how you can restore seed words in Kukai wallet, and once restored you can send and receive XTZ access NFTs and the apps, switch networks if needed, and use the same wallet on another device using the seed words. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.